Your pharmacist, in addition to providing medications and supplies, is available to educate you on how to best utilize these resources.
The role of the pharmacist in the healthcare team is, one, to distribute drugs and make sure the right patient gets the right medication. And also, we not only dispense medications, but we also can dispense information. And that's the most important thing, to put the two together.
What does my local pharmacist have to offer?
Pharmacists are one of the more accessible healthcare providers. Always feel free to ask your pharmacist any question that you might have. And even if we don't know the answer, we can probably try and get the answer or refer you to somebody who can. Drugs are our specialty. That is what we are trained to know. We can identify drug-drug interactions, drug-food interactions. A lot of patients don't even realize this, and if you don't ask, you might not know.
So when I visit my local pharmacist, what kind of questions should I ask?
What is this medication for? What are the side effects for it? What interactions does it have with other medications? And how do I take it? What is the best way to take it? I think the more patients understand about what their medications are, how to use them, the better outcomes they'll have for their health.
So I'm taking a lot of medications, and it's hard to keep track of them all. Do you have any advice for me?
Some key tips for patients is, one, always try to use the same pharmacy all the time. That way all of your medication records, all of the prescriptions that you're on are all in one location. The pharmacist has access to it, and then also they can check and screen for interactions. The other thing patients definitely should do is always carry with them a list of their medications. What is the name of the medication, how they're taking it, and what it's used for. I think to sum it up, the role of the pharmacist is we not only dispense medications, but we also can dispense information. And that's the most important thing, to put the two together. You can do it.